Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit comments in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Firstly go Tools option and select Comment option, and here you'll find this comment box. I'll edit this sticky note comments. Click on this comment box and this sticky box comment here. Here you can see in this comment you can edit this text. Select properties. You can see this sticky note symbol style sense. You can delete this one. Also you find this call out comments. You can edit this call out comments properties. You can change border color, fill color as well. See this, and opacity, line thickness, and so on. Now select OK and double click on this call out box. You can see in this call out box text color. See this text color change and make it black. Again you can make it bold, italic, underline. Also you can align. And this is a text box, comment box. Click right button for properties. Same I'll change fill color. See this, border thickness and border color. See this, line style you can change. See the border style, and you can change the opacity. Also you can delete here any comments if you like. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.